How to apply VST plugin effects in Ocenaudio. First of all, open Ocenaudio and load the audio file you want to edit. You can do this by dragging the file into the workspace or by using the file menu to open it. Once your file is loaded, select a portion of the audio where you want to apply the effect or leave it unselected to apply the effect to the entire file. Next, go to the effects menu at the top and at the bottom you will find the VST option. Click on it. If you have VST plugins installed on your computer, Ocenaudio will automatically scan for them and they will be listed here. If you don't see your plugins, make sure they are properly installed and located in the supported directory. Now, choose the plugin you want to use and the new window will pop up showing the plugin interface. Here you can tweak all the parameters just like you would in any other audio software. You can also preview the effect in real time before applying it. Once you are happy with the settings, simply click Apply to process the effect into your audio. Ocenaudio will instantly apply the changes and you can listen to the updated result. If needed, you can undo the effect by using the undo option under the edit menu. And that's it. Now you know how to apply VST plugin effects in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.